kimchi, the taste we have loved for 3,000 years. The leaves fill my tongue with the taste of kimchi. My mouth wants to chomp every square it nears. My heart skips a beat when I see that amazing dish, and I run to its side. I grab with the sticks and I make a wish, and my mouth opens wide. To eat every day that fermented food is a dream coming true. To sing through the night like a jar that is ripening soon. I go to the hills when my stomach's growling. I know I will taste what I've had before. My heart will be blessed with a bite of kimchi. To eat and be thrilled, I will sing once more. Subscribe to our YouTube page today!